Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have that generation Dodge Ram right here between 2013 and 2018, if you're trying to find where the fuse boxes are located, now what you need to do, you may have multiple fuse boxes, but the main one, okay, what we need to do, open the hood. Once you guys open your hood, okay, you can see that's your engine. You may have different size of engines, V6, V8, diesels, eco diesels, Cummins, all that stuff, but right here, guys, okay, you see that box in front of the car battery. Go ahead, there is two tabs here, press on them, lift it up, and right underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, that's the main fuse box. Most of your fuses and relays will be located in that fuse box. Now, if you come under the hood again, on some models with the PTC heater, okay, you may have another fuse box. That's the one that we looked at, was in front of the battery. You may have one behind the battery. Here, if you open it, usually you have more relays, fuses as well. We have complete videos on our channels what those are for. Another thing, guys, that you need to check on the car battery itself, on the positive terminal, you may have two different kinds of fuses. You may have a double or triple fuses in some cases. These fuses, when you look at them close, they look like this one. That's a 250, 125, and this is a 100 amp fuse. Those are very important fuses as well. Now, on the inside, you don't have any fuses inside the cabin on that generation Dodge Ram. Everything is practically under the hood. If you want to know what the fuses are for, we'll have a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Why? To make it convenient for you. Let's say you just need to find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, find the video on our channel, take you less than a minute, check it out, find which fuse you need to replace, you're back on the road. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.